In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Lists in Power BI, including multi-value fields, 2026. We'll connect a Microsoft List to Power BI desktop, choose the right connector, authenticate securely, and make sense of those multi-value columns that show up as lists. By the end, you'll be ready to load your data and start building visuals with confidence. Start by opening Power BI desktop. From the home ribbon, choose Get Data. In the connector window, navigate to Online Services and select SharePoint Online List. This connector is designed for SharePoint and Microsoft Lists, so it understands list metadata, content types, and common field types you're likely using. When prompted for a URL, paste the root address of the SharePoint site where your list lives. Use the site's base address rather than a direct link to a single view or item. Keeping the URL at the site level ensures Power BI can discover all lists and their schema correctly. Next, choose Implementation 2.0. This is the modern, faster version of the connector. It improves performance and compatibility, especially for complex columns like multi-select choices, lookups, and people fields. If you've ever had slow refreshes or odd column behavior with older connections, this upgrade helps a lot. For authentication, sign in with your Microsoft account associated with your Microsoft 365 tenant. Make sure you have permission to read the list. If you see a privacy or permission prompt, set the appropriate privacy level for your organization and continue. You'll then see the navigator, which lists all available SharePoint lists on that site. Select the list you want and click Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. This gives you a chance to confirm column names, data types, and row counts before loading anything into the model. Inside Power Query, notice that multi-value columns often display the word list in each cell. That's expected. It means each row contains a collection of values rather than a single scalar. Common examples include multi-select choice fields or lookup fields that allow multiple selections. You can click into a cell to preview what's inside so you understand the structure and contents. This view makes it clear that the column holds multiple entries per row, which is important context for how you'll analyze it in your report. When you're satisfied, load the data and begin visualizing. Start with simple tables or cards to validate that your records appear as expected. If you later decide you need to reshape a multi-value column for a specific visual or calculation, you can always return to Power Query to refine it based on your reporting needs. That's it. Your Microsoft List is connected, authenticated, and ready to power your Power BI report.